Okay, in my first video, I made a very long video that combined the registration and white paper for TCC, but I have decided to make a purely short video on TCC white paper. So let's jump direct and go to the main. Right here, you can see I have mined 4,800 TCC coins. Yes, that is my mining for the few days I have been in. So right at the top menu, I go to white paper and we start going through it. White paper, TCC Network White Paper. Number 1, Introduction. TCC Network is a decentralized blockchain platform that enables users to mine and trade digital assets easily on their mobile devices without requiring specialized hardware. The project is designed to provide fair financial access to everyone through blockchain technology. Vision and mission. TCC Network aims to become a robust, decentralized financial ecosystem where everyone can participate in the digital economy without technical or financial barriers. And its mission is to bring blockchain technology to mainstream users, create a fair and energy efficient mining, provide a secure, fast and reliable trading platform. So I believe in future they will bring a trading platform, not just the coin, because it is a network. Support real world applications in the digital economy. Number 3, we have technology. 3.1, consensus algorithm. TCC network utilizes the proof of engagement POE consensus mechanism, allowing users to mine based on their level of interaction and contribution to the network, rather than consuming computational resources like traditional blockchains. Pioneers who mined Bitcoin understands it better. Mobile mining. Users can mine TCC tokens by activating the app daily, engaging in the community and expanding the network, verifying transactions and contributing to ecosystem. This mining process does not consume devices resources, ensuring energy efficient while maintaining security and decentralization. Security and transparency. TCC network employs advanced encryption technology to ensure transactions and user data security. KYC identity verification prevents fraud and fake accounts. Economic model. Total supply. The total supply of TCC token is capped at 100 billion tokens and is distributed as this: 80% allocated for community mining. For me and you, join through my link and we mine this 80% of 100 billion tokens. That's a huge amount. And my friends, what I usually tell you, the early birds catches bigger fat worms. You know, if you don't mine as early as now, you will join when one TCC coin will be mined for 6 months. So you better come and join me. So 80% is allocated for us to mine. Then 5% is allocated for ecosystem development funds. 6% is for team and advisors. 4% is for strategic partners and investors. 5% is allocated for reserve funds. Distribution mechanism. Initially, the mining rate will be higher, to encourage early participation. That is exactly what I was telling you. You can see my tokens, your number 4.2. Can I go back? You can check. I have mined 4,800. But by that time, they will be about to launch the mainnet and make the app to be that smooth, my friend. It will just be like Pi today. One Pi we are mining for very long. And the guys who joined 2019, 2020 on Pi Network, they were mining like hundreds of coins in a day. So join early than to wait until the system is very okay and you will be restricted on the amount you can mine. You will mine one coin for 6 years, let me tell you, my friend. Even it's like Bitcoin right now. They are mining one Bitcoin like, have you done that math? For very many years. Now, distribution mechanism. Initially, the mining rate will be higher to encourage early participation. Over time, mining rewards will gradually decrease. Yes, will gradually decrease, similar to Bitcoin, ensuring token scarcity. My friend, think about this. Think about it. 4.3 The value and awareness of TCC. We do not commit to guarantee the value of TCC at any given time, and this is the correct way to go. You cannot tell us the value of this coin will be this amount at this year. No, that will be a fraud, and we don't expect that. So we do not commit to or guarantee the value of TCC at any given time. That is absolutely very fine. The value of TCC entirely determined by market supply and demand. Very good. Based on consensus of the user community. We do not interfere in pricing and we are not responsible for TCC price fluctuations. Investors and users should carefully consider before engaging in end mining and trading. I think that is very clear. This is the meaning of decentralized. Huh? The meaning of decentralized coin. When the core team fluctuates the price of a coin, that is fraud, scam, and such. So we don't expect anyone to know the price for this coin in future. Let us, our supply and demand, our engagement, put the price at it will be. Now, number 5, real world application. TCC token can be used for payment within the TCC network ecosystem, peer-to-peer transaction without intermediaries, shopping and exchanging goods and services sold on the market, supporting decentralized projects, DeFi, NFT, GameFi, etc. Roadmap. The roadmap is very clear and got time frame. So roadmap. Phase 1, platform development. Develop the blockchain and mobile application, launch the mining program for early users, build the community and refine the economic model. Phase 2, ecosystem expansion. This is 2024-2025, right now, phase 1. Now, phase 2 will start from next year. I don't know which month. That will be launch of decentralized wallet. Enable P2P transaction and integrate with decentralized exchanges. Introduce the marketplace and initial real-world applications. Phase 3, full integration and adoption. That will be 2026. 2027. Partner with business to expand TCC token acceptance. Upgrade infrastructure to support millions of users. Expand application in decentralized finance and smart contracts. Conclusion. TCC Network is a promising blockchain project aiming to create a fair, secure, and accessible decentralized financial ecosystem with advanced technology and an energy efficient mining model and real world application. TCC token is set to become a valuable digital asset in the global digital economy. You now know, you now understand better what is the roadmap, the white paper, and everything. Now, let me encourage you to subscribe, to hit the bell button, to like the video, and share with friends. You can share my channel with friends, and they will get the updates and the required information about the TCC network. So, if you want to join, you can check the link on the description and use my invitation code, that is babytrump. Babytrump, no H at the end, not letter H. Babytrump, babytrump, like this. Let me show you. Like this. Babytrump, like this. Yes, that is my referral code or invitation code that you should use on the link I have put in the description. But when you click the link, the Baby Trump invitation code is put into the registration form automatically. You don't need to put it again. You will just see it there. But in case any changes might happen for the link, please make sure before you proceed, the invitation code is Baby Trump. And if you have any question regarding the TCC, you can ask it on the comments section, and we as a family, we shall discuss it with all those understands it more. Thank you, and much welcome for the other video I'm going to make in the next few hours. So right now, that marks the end of the video. Goodbye.